Hello, welcome to the channel and this series of recipes that are canning safe using hot peppers in creative ways. Ghost peppers are often available in stores, and if you grow some, there are ways to use them fresh that tames them into creations that don't destroy your palate. This recipe can be used as a sauce and or marinade in many Asian inspired dishes to bring a decent level of heat without being overpowering. We're going to use 5 ghost peppers in making a teriyaki ghost sauce. Pretty simple recipe. Here's our ingredients. We have 2 cups of soy sauce, 1/4 cup lime juice, 2 cups of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of ginger grated, 1 tablespoon of tahini, sesame paste. Now we're going to go for 1 cup of vinegar. You can go with white vinegar. I'm going to use a rice wine vinegar. It has a slightly lower percentage. It's 4% versus 5%. And we've got 5 ghost peppers minced. Now, 5 ghost peppers. Maybe we should call this Revenge of the Samurai hot sauce. If you want to thicken it up a little bit, a half teaspoon of xanthan gum whisked in. Now, an easy way to prepare your ginger root is to just grab a spoon and scraping it clean of all the bark. Get enough, then start putting it through the grater. So what we're looking for is 4 tablespoons of grated ginger. In preparing your peppers, stem them, halve them, remove the seeds and membranes, and give them a mince. Once you have them minced up, 5 ghost peppers roughly equals 3 tablespoons minced. You can also bring the heat down a little bit if you want and use a habanero or Scotch bonnet. There we go. So it's a fairly fast preparation. You want to have your jars scrubbed and cleaned. Get your water bath counter boiling and set your jars in for a 20-minute water bath boil ahead of canning. So while the jars are boiling, we'll start to prepare our sauce. In with 2 cups brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of ghost pepper, 4 tablespoons of ginger. Then 2 cups soy sauce. This recipe also has a very low pH, so it can be doubled. 1 cup of rice wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of tahini, We'll give everything a quick stir. Dissolving the sugar, bring everything to a boil, reducing the heat for a 15 to 20 minute simmer. Now that it's been simmered off and the sauce is still very hot, we'll blend in a half teaspoon of xanthan gum. It's about the appropriate amount to make the sauce just a little bit stickier. Get our jars piping hot out of the boiling water. Now this does make 4 cups, which can be canned for long-term storage. The recipe can be doubled as well. Or you can use it fresh, storing in the fridge for several weeks. So you want to put your utensils into the boiling water for a minute or two and begin jarring. When you're jarring, you jar up to the bottom of the ring band threads, leaving 3/4 of an inch headspace for proper sealing. Once you have your jars filled up, take your lids and ring bands and heat them up in the boiling water for a minute or so. This softens the gum on the ring bands, gets a good seal. Now this sauce can be used as a marinade as well. You can add it to other sauces, or when you're preparing meats by the sous vide method, add it to the bag for extra flavor and heat. Definitely a hot wing sauce, but can also be used with other meats, seafood, rice, or noodle dishes. So we'll get our jars back into the boiling water in the water bath canner for a 20-minute water bath boil. I'm pouring off some for immediate use in the fridge. And like that, out they come. And our teriyaki hot sauce is ready to seal up. Over the next hour or so. You'll hear the lids pop. And give this one a try. A great use for your ghost peppers. Get a little look at it. If you like this recipe, give us a like. For more unique recipes, subscribe. You see, it's a fairly thin sauce. It can be heated up and thickened as well. All right, thanks for watching. See you again soon.